Welcome! Today we are going to learn basic elements of art, lines and shapes. Lines and shapes are the foundation of all art. From bold strokes to delicate curves, they bring movement, structure and creativity to every masterpiece. Explore how different lines and shapes create depth, emotion and expression in art. Our lesson outlines lines in art, playing with line and shape, shapes in art, patterns in art. We are going to learn the basics in less than 5 minutes. What are the elements in art? These are the tools that artists use to communicate their ideas. Learners like us use them to understand what we are looking at. The elements are line, shape, color, tone, form and texture. Lines and shapes are all around us. Today, we will investigate how artists use lines and shapes in their art. Look around the room you're in. Can you spy the following? 1 curved line, 2 rectangles, 1 pair of parallel lines, 1 circle. Today, we are learning to identify different types of lines. Recognize that line and shape can be used to create emotion. Identify and create basic shapes and patterns in art. Lines in art. A line is a path or mark on a page. Lines can help move our eyes around an artwork. The color, shape, and texture of a line can give us information. Different types of lines. Look carefully at these lines. What emotions can you associate with them? Straight, dotted, bold, fine, curved, wavy, cross-hatched, spiral, zigzag, painterly. Playing with line and shape. 1. With a pencil and a piece of paper, use a line to create shapes and meaning, just like an artist. 2. Look at your classmate. Now, without lifting your pencil off the paper, draw your friend's face. 3. Remember, try not to look at your paper and do not lift your pencil while drawing. How many regular shapes make up this image? Shapes in art. Regular shapes. Lines can create the outline of shapes. We often see regular shapes like triangles, rectangles, ovals, and squares. Shapes in art. Irregular shapes. Shapes that are less familiar are called irregular shapes. They can be curvy, pointed, symmetrical, asymmetrical, wavy, rounded. Patterns in art. Patterns are made with repeated lines and shapes. In this mandala artwork, you can see lots of repeated shapes and lines. Lines, shapes and emotion. Vincent van Gogh was a famous Dutch painter. This painting, The Starry Night, was created over 150 years ago. He used line, shape, pattern. How does this artwork make you feel? What about the artwork makes you feel this way? Let's recap. Line and shape are 2 of the elements of art. There are many different types of lines. These can be used to create different emotions. Repeated lines and shapes make patterns. Practice. Practice using different lines, shapes and patterns. Happy learning!